Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today topic is how to install Anchor CMS on Fedora 34. Anchor CMS is an open source, lightweight and ultra simple blogging system which is written in PHP and uses MySQL. It is used for markdown support, custom fields, themes, I18N compatibility and many more. In this tutorial, we will cover the installation of Anchor CMS on Fedora 34. Now I'm going to check OS version. Use this command. This is OS version Fedora 34. Now I'm going to create MySQL database. Use this command. Enter password. Here you can create database. Use this following commands. Press enter. Create user. Privileges. Then exit. And then I'm going to download Anchor CMS package by using wget command. After downloading, I'm going to unzip that package. Use this following command. Press enter. I'm going to change directory. Now I'm going to give owner name and group name for this Anchor CMS directory. Use this following command. And then I'm going to give permission for this directory. Use this command. And then I'm going to open Apache configuration file. Then save and exit. Now I'm going to open host entry file. Enter your IP and domain name here. Then save and exit. Now I'm going to restart Apache. And then go to the browser. Enter your domain name there. After you will get Anchor CMS page. Click here and click next step. Here enter your username and password. Next, Save. Here, create your site detail and go to the next step. Here enter Gmail and password. And complete. Click admin panel. Enter your username and password. Login. Our Anchor CMS is successfully installed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.